We recording? I think we are. I can't see because it's glaring. I think we are though. Turn that down. Turn that shit. So, I've had my exhaust for about a week or so. I'm losing track of everything very fast. But this is going to be like a point of view drive. My like initial impressions of having it. I'll try not to talk too much though, because obviously you want to hear the exhaust, not me. Hopefully the angle is good and everything. I've got it smacked on my head again. So yeah, enjoy. Sounds good, sounds good. So it does pop when I'm changing gears, and it does sound good. Hopefully it actually picks up on camera. I'll let it warm up a bit. The mighty 1.2. I have done this video once already and the footage corrupted, so off we go again. I've got the sunroof open, so hopefully you can hear some pops and stuff. Hopefully the wind noise doesn't overtake everything though. Oh, that bang. First to second it pops a lot. So my initial impressions. I've had it for a week or so, and everyone looks, because it's a loud, aggressive car. You wouldn't think this sound was coming from this car, like a 1.2 Clio. You really wouldn't think this like deep like sound was coming. I really hope it is picking up on the camera. But yeah, like people turn thinking it's going to be something cool, and it's this. So yeah, everyone looks. I'm a fan of that. I'm a bit of an attention seeker, but if you don't want everyone to look, I wouldn't recommend it. But then I would, because it sounds good. There are times like when it's like 10:30 at night, I want to go out on a drive, but I'm literally too scared to, in case I like wake up all the neighbours or I just like annoy them. So things like that are negative, but for the most part I'm happy with it, to be honest, like for the most part, because when I am driving I'm getting attention. There's a police car in front of me, so I won't take the piss, but I can't take the piss anyway, because I've got a black box. So I'll take you through some like tunnels and like overpasses and things like that. Try and get some echo. Oh, I have to pull up alongside the police. I have to pull away here really slowly. Yeah, that sounds sick. I don't know if the camera like picks it up, but in person it sounds amazing. It's like a really like deep grumble, and as I've said, considering it's a 1.2, that's quite impressive. Glasses off so I look less like an idiot, although I have got a camera on my head, so yeah, I'll go back down. It wasn't too big of a video, but there should be quite a lot of content coming out in the next couple of days or weeks, so hopefully you do enjoy and you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of it. But yeah, I'm happy, I'm very happy. Do one more lap, then I'll call it quits before I get arrested. Jesus Christ. Alright, that's enough. Cheers.